This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, I'm not sure you're really ready for what I'm going to bring to you. Today we're going to do smothered turkey legs in the power pressure cooker. This is definitely a turkey recipe that will probably change your outlook on turkey and your life.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Well, I might be pushing it, but it's going to change your outlook on turkey. So just sit back, relax, grab your favorite popcorn, your favorite beverage, enjoy the video, and if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let me repeat myself.
Who the fuck you think you talking to?
If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and let's get started with some smothered turkey legs. Alright, so the supporting cast, very, very simple. This recipe is so easy. That's what makes it such a wonderful recipe. Of course, we got my protein, my turkey legs, pterodactyl legs, whatever you want to call them. But we got those. Those are so cheap. I think I paid $6 for 2 of them. So about $3 a piece. Great meal. So, and then for my vegetables, I got some onion. I got onion, 4 sticks of celery, and some bell pepper there, just chopped up. That's all going to go in the pressure cooker with some chicken stock, seasonings. I got some poultry seasoning here, some sage. Of course, you got to have your garlic. I got a little bit of oregano, and then salt and pepper to taste. And then I'm using a little bit of butter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sear this off on the stovetop and then put it in the pressure, just because these are so large they won't fit in the pressure cooker flat, so they will sear for me. So we're going to start them on the stove and then in the pressure cooker. Alright, let's get started putting it together. So we're over here at the stove. I got my cast iron skillet on, got some butter in it, and it's getting hot, so I'm going to go ahead and put, I think I might be able to fit 2 of them in here. If not, we'll have to do them one at a time. But there we go. Got both of them in there. We're going to get a good sear on these. We're really going to change the color on these in this butter and cast iron skillet. So we're going to let those sear up for a minute. All we're doing is getting some color on the outside, flip them over, do the same thing, and then we'll go to the pressure cooker. So as you can see, I've got some brownness on this side, popping and crackling here. Turn my heat down just a little bit. But we got some nice color on it. I flipped it over. We're going to do the other side now. Then we're going to go to our pressure cooker. So, as you can see, I got some nice color on my turkey legs here. I'm not going to do it too long, but I wanted to get a little bit of color on it because in the pressure cooker, you're basically steaming. So, I turned the fire down. We're going to leave that there. We're going to move over to our pressure cooker real quick. So, we're over here at the pressure cooker. And so, I'm going to add, first thing is just a little bit of cooking oil. Tad bit of cooking oil. And then I'm going to go in with my onion. Whole onion cut up. And then my celery. And my bell pepper, otherwise known as the Holy Trinity. So we got that in there. Alright, next thing, we're going to go in with our turkey legs. There's one. There's the second one. Almost doesn't fit, so big. But we got them in there. Next part, seasoning. I'm going to go in with a nice healthy tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 healthy tablespoon of minced garlic. And we're going to go in with some salt and pepper. Pink Himalayan sea salt, you know how I get down. Some black pepper. Gonna hit it with a little bit of oregano. A little bit of sage. Give it that nice stuffing Thanksgiving flavor. And a little bit of poultry seasoning. And that's all the seasoning we're putting in. Now we're going to go in with our chicken stock, our chicken broth. And I'm putting in probably, and we're going to see what it comes up to. This is 32 ounces, so this is 4 cups. And I think I'm going to be putting it all in here. This is going to be the base for my gravy as well. Alright. That's what I love about this recipe. You put it in there, and that's all there is to it. So, now all we're going to do is cover the pressure cooker. You're going to lock it down. If you don't know how to do that, check out my other videos. Alright, so this is very simple. I'm going to hit the meat chicken button. I'm going to increment it up to high, and I'm going to bring it down to 25 minutes. And then after that, it's going to go around here in a second. Bam. And it's going to build up pressure, and then it's going to count down for 25 minutes. And then we'll check it, see if we need to add more time or not. I doubt it, but we'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so what I did is I took it off in 20 minutes. And it wasn't quite where I wanted it to be, so I put it in for another 10 minutes. And this is what we come up with. Look at this. Ooh, gotta be careful, it's almost fall off the bone. We grab these two and put them on a plate. We're gonna start on our gravy here. Alright, so all these drippings that we got in here, that's going to become our gravy. Chicken broth, the celery, the bell pepper, and the onion. So we're going to put the pressure cooker on sear mode. And we're going to do a cornstarch slurry. So equally part water, equally part cornstarch. Very simple slurry. Alright, so very important that we bring our gravy, our parts of our gravy here to a boil. I got a whisk here, and we're just going to stick it in with our cornstarch slurry. I'm going to whisk and pour at the same time. And we're going to see how thick we can get, where we can get this to. A little bit more. But we got our slurry in here working, making our thick gravy here. I'm going to let that come to another little slight boil. I'll probably have to make up a little bit more slurry for it. Oh yeah, so it's thickening up nicely here. I'm going to add just a little bit more to it. So it's thickening up nicely here. I'm going to add just a little bit more to it. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Whisk it up here real good. Ah, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to add my turkey legs back to it. And I'm going to plate this up for you. There you go. Smothered turkey legs in a power pressure cooker. Woo! You thought I was just going to give you a turkey leg? No, I had to make a whole dinner for this. Little stuffing, sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese, some greens, some cranberry sauce. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Smothered turkey legs in the power pressure cooker. And you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. I'm going to get some. Oh my God. That turkey. Super tender. Oh my God.
Yes, sir!
I'm putting this plate down. It's heavy. You gotta try that at home. Hey guys, if you liked the video, do me a favor. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.